All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our artificial intelligence course, and we're still in our uncertainty 2 module. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. Now, tonight we talked about approximate inference. Approximate inference is used when we don't know the exact probability, but we have a general sense of the probability. How can we use approximate inference inside of our Bayesian network? One method we can use is called sampling. Sampling, in the process of sampling, we are going to take a sample of all the nodes inside our Bayesian network. What exactly are we going to sample? We are going to sample one value from each of our nodes according to their probability distribution. So how might we take a sample of a value? First, we will start with the rain node. Using something like a random number generator, we will pick one of the three rain values. For example, let's say that we picked R for none, meaning there was no rain. Then we will do the same thing for the other variables. When we get to the maintenance variable, we only have to randomly pick from its none distribution because we know that information from our rain variable. Now let's say that we randomly picked M for yes, meaning there was maintenance. Next in our train variable, we will sample from its first distribution because we know that there is no rain and we know that there is track maintenance from our previous information. Let's say that we randomly picked T, which was on time. And finally, we do the same steps for our appointment variable. Based on the on-time distribution we learned from our previous information, let's say we randomly picked A for a 10, which means we made our meeting. So by going through all these nodes, we can very quickly do some sampling to get a sample of the possible values that could come up from going through our entire Bayesian network, according to those probability distributions. And this is what that would look like all put together. So we randomly picked all of these samples from our variables. We have R for no rain, M from track maintenance, T for the train was on time, and yes, we attended our appointment. Now, that's just a few things we went over tonight with the sampling. We're going to keep moving forward and keep diving deeper. We did take a lot more notes, but I'm not going to get into that tonight. But I will keep you guys posted on the journey as usual. This is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.